Saturday morning in late summer 2001. Coming into Tampa on the A-line is K996. The just acquired SD70M still in EMD's demonstrator paint. Limestone from a South Florida rock mine for the Conrad Yelvington distribution yard at Temple Terrace.
65. 5.
When 996 clears, here comes Amtrak 89, the Palmetto, crossing 50th Street. In 2001, the Palmetto was still running a diner and a sleeping car. Transition to the current graphics has just gotten underway. 89 is turning the Navy Y in order to back into Tampa Union Station. Navy Y is a great place to catch motive power from Yeoman Yard. Engines often have to be turned here when being ready to go back north. In Old Tampa Yard, ConAgra 186 is switching grain cars. The ConAgra flour mill is the last industry in the downtown port area, now called Channelside. The EMD SW1200 switcher is aging and, when down for maintenance, is replaced by a red trackmobile. Old Tampa Yard is just south of Tampa Union Station and was once a staging area for Seaboard Airlines' giant Seddon Island phosphate terminal, now called Harbor Island. Old Tampa Yard is now owned by the Hillsborough Expressway Authority and serves only the ConAgra mill. This scene is gone because the overpass I'm shooting it from is gone. On a Sunday morning, the Tropicana juice train crosses the Diamond in Palmetto. Managers strive to keep CSX power on this premier train, but the power shortage has even hit K650 on this Sunday in 2001. This is the one-time crossing of SAL's Parish Sub over the ACL's Sarasota main line. The diamond and the smashboards protecting it are now long gone. Eastward on the Parish Sub about a mile is the Conrad Yelvington Rock Yard at Palmetto. The Conrad switchers are always a curiosity. For me, it was this sideways air horn. Back on the A-line, this is the Tampa Bypass Canal just east of Uceda Yard. Q188 is traveling eastward and would normally be horribly backlit, but that building thunderstorm downrange provides a nice backdrop. 188 is coming out at AY with nightly UPS traffic for Jacksonville. He'll make a pickup at Taft, Orlando on the way north. The fisherman seems unfazed by all this commerce traveling right next to him. In Lakeland, the 2nd of January 2000, Q604 passes the cantilever signals at the Vitus Sub Y. There are at least 3 things in this scene you can't see anymore. The B-36 was reduced to scrap, the Conrail SD-40 was painted over into yellow nose 2, and the ability to shoot almost an entire train in this curve. There's now an overpass and roadway that will block this scene forever. All kinds of scenes have disappeared around Tampa over the last decade. Conrail B-40s and HLCX leasers. Dash 7 B-30s and SP units in speed lettering. Bone Valley Rockport trains of old ACL flip-tops. But this view has changed little since this bright morning in early 2001.
First signal 89, north end of Mango.
The numbers have changed, the paint is new, some cars have disappeared, but on any day of the week, you can still stand at the north end of Mango siding in the loud and windy wake of a speeding Amtrak train. In Tampa, Florida, this is Danny Harmon, out.